Welcome everyone to the lablab Next Meta Demo Day. The 8 teams that you will listen to today started as hackathon projects during the end of 2024. We did 3 AI hackathons in LATAM, the US, and Italy, and those are some of the winning teams. Today, we put a spotlight on them and celebrate the hard work that they put in to get closer to the market.
This program has been all about accelerating ideas into impactful solutions. And today, our startups will showcase how they are solving real-world challenges. But before we get into the pitches, let's take a moment to go through who your hosts will be, the agenda. So first off, we will be your hosts for this evening. Jens Ingelstedt, our global head of accelerators, and myself, Mihir, the program manager of lablab Next. And this is what the agenda will look like today. We have 8 pioneering startups ready to pitch their solution, each of them tackling pressing global challenges with AI. Each and every one of them will have a few minutes to present. And in the meantime, please do submit your questions as they all have members of their team ready to answer any questions you have.
Huge thank you to the 150 dedicated mentors from all over the world that have been giving very generously of their time, supporting the teams, hands-on, giving a lot of guidance and clarity to help them get closer to the market, scaling their impact, and find product market fit. Secondly, none of this would have been possible without our main partner Meta, who's really focused on AI-driven open source innovation and has put a lot of resources to support the teams both during the program and continuously after the program.
And yes, couldn't agree more with Jens there. None of this would be possible without the support of our amazing mentors, all of our partners, and Meta especially. But now it's time for the pitches. Starting off, we have Tachi Win from Mexico, a startup on a mission to preserve indigenous languages in Latin America. Their AI-driven translation and language preservation tools are giving communities a voice in the digital age.
In Mexico, there are over 7 million people that speak indigenous languages, with a rich diversity of 60 languages and hundreds of variants. And yet, indigenous communities often face very limited access to technology and information in their native languages, hindering educational and economic opportunities and threatening the preservation of their linguistic heritage. Tachi Win has developed one of the first large language models for indigenous languages, powering a multilingual translator app. This AI-based solution works offline and online, allowing users in remote areas to translate into Tunacu, Nahuatl, and other indigenous languages into mainstream languages and vice versa. How is this possible? With state-of-the-art AI innovations, we are cost-effectively fine-tuning a Llama 3.1 with new languages with our own high-quality dataset, delivering live models capable of running on client devices, offline or online, relying on a low inference cost API. We are pioneers on AI for indigenous languages while being strictly responsible and respectful for indigenous cultures. We do not endorse extractivism. We give back at the communities, delivering high quality and open source technologies. We plan to monetize through partnerships with educational institutions, NGOs, and government agencies, offering subscription-based access for broader linguistic applications, and we are a fully fledged ad-powered mobile app. Our initial focus is the 7 million indigenous language speakers in Mexico with over 60 languages and variants, expanding in the future over 300 million users worldwide who face similar challenges. Future phases will not only be capable of translating, but also have the ability to chat and deep reason in indigenous languages, with future image and video capabilities. As we successfully trained our first model into Tunacu, we launched an early access app with online and offline services, and we are actively engaging early users for feedback while we train the final multilingual model for the final stable release. Our team co-founded and led by indigenous speakers, also comprises AI experts and social innovators, passionate about bridging the gap between heritage and technology. We are seeking 70,000 to scale our operations, improve the model proficiency, include additional languages, and expand outreach to underserved communities globally. Help us ensure these voices are never lost. Thank you.
Next up, we have Clear Bureau from Saudi Arabia, making government services more accessible. So their AI-powered platform breaks down complex legal and bureaucratic processes so people can understand and navigate them easily.
I'm Mohammed, an energy and environmental engineering graduate turned self-taught software engineering, now working at 42 Group. Imagine trying to access essential government services and feeling completely lost. For 40% of people around the world, navigating these websites is nearly impossible due to digital literacy challenges. Government websites are often cluttered with confusing jargon, complex process, and little to no translation support. This leaves many citizens, especially immigrants, the elderly, and people with disabilities feeling frustrated and excluded from services they truly need. That is why I built Clear Bureau. It is an AI-powered Chrome extension that works like a personal guide on government websites. Clear Bureau extracts web content translated into your preferred language and breaks down complex jargon into a plain language. It even offers step-by-step guidance to help you complete forms and access services seamlessly, all powered by Meta Llama 3.2. Our plan is simple: offer subscription plan to individuals who need regular assistance and license our technology to organizations and governments that wants to make their digital services more accessible. The e-government market is booming and is expected to reach 56 billion by 2027. With the growing demand for digital accessibility, Clear Bureau is perfectly positioned to help bridge the gap for millions of users who are currently left behind. We plan to launch Clear Bureau in partnership with digital literacy program and government agencies, initially targeting underserved communities. Our focus is on building trust and delivering solutions that truly makes a difference. While I don't have paying customers yet, I'm actively working on building pilot partnerships and expanding early tractions. For example, the beta version of Clear Bureau has already attracted significant interest, and I am in discussions with digital literacy programs and government agencies. This early validation is a strong foundation that will help us secure customers as we refine and scale the product. I built this product as a solo developer, and my work has already been recognized by winning at Meta Llama Impact Hackathon. Now, as part of the Meta program and working at 42 Group, I am supported by a network of civic tech experts and policy specialists who share my passion for accessible public services. Today, I'm seeking 300,000 to further enhance our AI capabilities and expand our language support. This investment will help us bring Clear Bureau to even more users, transforming the way people interact with government services for the way better. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to building a more accessible future together.
Ever wondered how AI can improve recycling? Trish from Italy is tackling waste management with smart recycling solutions that optimize collection, sorting, and processing, making cities cleaner and greener.
Have you ever stood in front of a trash bin, holding an item and wondering where it goes? Plastic, paper, organic? Most of us have, and the answer is not always obvious. Every city has different recycling rules, and confusion leads to wrong disposal, higher waste processing costs, and of course, environmental damage. Now, imagine if you could just point your phone's camera at any object and instantly know how to dispose of it according to your exact location regulations. That's Trash, the AI-powered smart detector that makes recycling effortless. Recycling should be easy, but it's not. Each municipality has its own rules. What's, for example, recyclable here in Rome might not be in another city like London, and especially if you're traveling, this is a problem. Mistakes are costly, sorting error increases waste management costs, and governments struggle to enforce sustainable waste management. Meanwhile, individuals lack the right tools to make quick, informed decisions. The result? A more than $500 billion waste management industry that desperately needs innovation. This is where Trace comes in. Point your phone's camera at any object and our AI instantly recognizes it. Based on your location, Trace tells you exactly where to dispose of it. Machine learning keeps it up to date, adapting to new regulation, and this is seamless, effortless, and contributes to Agenda 2030 sustainability goals. It's just like Shazam made it easy to identify music, Trace makes recycling as simple as scanning an item. We are already proving that people want this. We have 1,000 of people interested in our application. We are with a growing user base. We are the winner of the Llama Impact Hackathon in Rome. We are validating our impact on a global stage. Municipalities and corporations are interested in API integration to improve their sustainability initiatives. Fully functional MVP has already been tested by early adopters, more than 1,000. So how do we make money? Our app in this moment is free for public. We have gamification and in-app advertising to engage users and generate revenue. We sell API access and white label solutions to cities, corporations, and waste management companies, helping them to comply with sustainability regulation. The more users we onboard, the more valuable our data becomes, creating a network effect that scales. We are at a turning point. Recycling needs to be simple. People want it. Cities need it. Companies will pay for it. That's why we are looking for partner, investor, and city collaboration to scale Trace into a global recycling standard. Let's make sustainability effortless. Let's make Trace the Shazam of recycling. Thank you.
Next up, we have Verdant from Bolivia. Small-scale farmers face many challenges, and Verdant is here to help. Using AI-powered satellite data and predictive insights, they are helping farmers boost efficiency and make smarter decisions.
Did you know 20% of global crop yields are lost each year to pests and extreme weather? For millions of farmers, a seasonal harvest can vanish overnight. With the right tools, we can turn this crisis into an opportunity. Farmers face droughts, pests, and fires, leading to major losses. Climate change and lack of data make traditional methods insufficient. Existing solutions are often expensive or inaccessible for small to medium-sized producers. Our platform uses satellite data, AI, and a user-friendly interface to predict natural disasters, detect pests with one photo, and provide personalized recommendations, serving as a virtual assistant for smarter and more profitable decisions. To keep them both sustainable and accessible, we rely on multiple revenue streams. These include premium subscription, targeted advertising, and data licensing. Large-scale farms pay per hectare, while community-based packages help smallholders afford Verdant collectly. Less than 20% of smallholders use agritech, yet more than 500 million such farms feed nearly 80% of developing regions. The digital agriculture market could reach $32 billion by 2029, underscoring huge potential. We're partnering with cooperatives, nonprofits, and universities across Latin America, empowering local leaders to promote peer-to-peer adoption. With our early wins, we plan to expand regionally and attract institutional support. We connected 30 rural communities in Bolivia, 70% of which face recurring threats, and we decided to shape our MVP. Collaborations with leading universities refine our localized AI for pest detection and climate risk, creating a ready pipeline for field testing. We seek $250,000 to finalize our MVP, expand AI capabilities, and bring Verdant to thousands of farmers. transforming global agriculture one crop at a time. With Verdun, we're not just growing crops, we're growing possibilities for every farmer.
Managing small businesses is tough, but Kaizen from Panama is making it easier with AI-powered ERP software designed specifically for small medium business enterprises in Latin America. The platform simplifies operations, finances, and logistics so businesses can focus on growth.
Nine out of 10 pymes in Latin America cannot manage their operation effectively when there are many platforms that solve this. The popular choice are the Enterprise Resource Planning System, or ERPs, which are platforms that integrate key features like finance, inventory, sales, and more into a single place. Yet, traditional ERPs fail Latin America pymes with prohibited costs ranging from 200,000 to 700,000 and deployment timelines from 6 to 18 months, leaving 16 million pymes that can lose between 20 or 30% of revenue and the potential to expand their strategy in the long term. So, what if there was a solution that eliminates this barrier completely? That's exactly what we built with Kaizen. We created the first ERP that helped users rather than forcing them to adapt, and we deploy in days instead of months. How do we do it? Well, we take advantage of the Llama large language models to remove all the constraints of traditional ERPs. So you don't need technical expertise when working with lots of documents across teams, and financial reports are done in seconds by our AI agents. We offer a SaaS subscription starting at just $30 per month with three tiers: Startup for essential business tools, Growth for advanced analytics, and Enterprise for customized AI capabilities. In 2024, the ERP market in Latin America was valued at 65 billion. With 90% of people lacking affordable tools, we identify a 3 billion opportunity to serve 10 million underserved businesses. Our go-to-market strategy includes partnerships with Chamber of Commerce and a network of implementation partners. And this month, we secured 5 early-stage clients and reached great technical performances, like 4 seconds for data processing per query or files, and 80% success on complex financial calculation and reporting queries that previously required technical expertise. Our team combines experts of market trends and people who understands users' needs, your needs. At this moment, we are not actively seeking funding. Instead, we are looking for strategic partners to accelerate our market entry, like professionals with established PYME networks or industry leaders. At this moment, we are not actively seeking funding. Instead, we are looking for partners to accelerate our market entry, like professionals with established PYME networks or industry leaders. With your help, we can deploy Kaizen to hundreds of businesses rather than tens. And just remember, every day without Kaizen, thousands of Latin America businesses fall behind and lose significant opportunities by not focusing on what really matters. Together, we can unlock their potential, one business at a time. So, let Kaizen do the lengthy, boring job, and let's transform Latin America business together. We are accessibility. We are constantly improving. We are Kaizen. So, scan the QR code to reach us and learn more about this opportunity.
Applying for financial aid can sometimes be a daunting task, especially for farmers. Therefore, June AI by Program Earth streamlines this process with an AI-driven assistant that helps farmers access government aid and financial support.
In the United States, millions of farmers are eligible for government welfare programs designed to support their livelihoods. Yet, awareness remains strikingly low. Accessibility issues, language barriers, and complex processes leave countless farmers without the resources they need to thrive. Navigating government programs is overwhelming for many farmers, particularly when faced with language barriers, digital illiteracy, or convoluted application processes. Third-party intermediaries often exploit these challenges, charging fees or providing inaccurate guidance, which further hinders farmers' access to essential benefits. June AI, developed by Program Earth, is breaking down these barriers across the United States. Our AI-powered Telegram-based platform identifies relevant government programs, simplifies eligibility criteria, and guides farmers through applications, all in accessible, straightforward language. This ensures direct, transparent access without interference from intermediaries. We generate revenue through partnerships with NGOs and government agencies, along with premium analytics subscriptions for agricultural cooperatives seeking valuable insights into program utilization and accessibility. The U.S. agricultural welfare system involves billions of dollars annually. By providing real-time, language-friendly assistance, June AI is unlocking significant potential for efficient, inclusive outreach across rural and underserved farming communities. We are piloting our platform across key agricultural states in the U.S., partnering with local agricultural boards and cooperatives to refine our approach and ensure maximum impact. Early results are promising, with strong interest from stakeholders nationwide. Our pilot has already connected thousands of farmers with relevant programs, boosting access and utilization by over 30% during the initial phase. This model is scalable and ready for broader implementation across the country. June AI is led by Evelyn Liu, Vikranth Reddy Kanamuru, and Molly Ng, PhD, combining expertise in agricultural
emergencies,
policy,
every
AI
second counts.
technology, and rural
Therefore,
outreach to
Cassiopeia
deliver
is introducing
scalable,
an
impactful
AI-powered
solutions
virtual
for
aid
American
assistant
farmers.
to
We
provide
are seeking
real-time medical
strategic
guidance
partnerships
and
to enhance our AI
enhance
capabilities
emergency
and
response.
expand adoption across the U.S. Join us in empowering farmers with direct, transparent access to
Imagine
critical
facing a
welfare
medical
programs
emergency and someone
designed
around
to
you or even
support their
yourself need
livelihoods.
immediate help. The panic sets in as you feel overwhelmed and unsure of what to do. In the past, you might have searched for unreliable advice or rushed to the hospital, but every minute counts, and 70% of people feel unprepared to provide first aid. Now picture pulling out your phone and receiving clear step-by-step guidance tailored to the situation instructions. In moments, you can access instructions, watch videos, and find the fastest way to get to the hospital. No formal training is needed, just instant expert advice to help save a life, whether it's a minor injury or a critical emergency. In a medical emergency, every second counts, yet most people are unprepared to respond effectively. The problem is that first aid knowledge can be inconsistent and many individuals don't know what to do in critical moments. This leads to delayed actions, improper treatment, and in severe cases, worse outcomes for those in need. Emergency services can be overwhelmed, and even with the best intentions, people often lack the right tools or guidance to make informed decisions when it matters most. Governments and healthcare systems struggle to equip everyone with the skills they need, leaving many feel powerless in life-threatening situations. First Aid is an AI-powered assistant delivered by Cassiopeia and is designed to deliver real-time step-by-step guidance during medical emergencies. Powered by custom Gen AI agents specializing in medical context, it provides personalized, context-aware instructions. With location-based features, it directs users to nearby hospitals, and upcoming image recognition capabilities will offer precise injury-specific advice, ensuring the best possibility response in critical situations. Our application leverages the digital health marketing sector, a $250 billion industry, offering significant investment opportunities. We'll monetize through a subscription model for advanced features with partnerships in healthcare, first aid training industries, and governments. We are planning to collaborate with first aid organizations to distribute our app and create awareness campaigns in school and workplaces. Additionally, we plan to form partnerships with pharmaceutical companies to recommend reliable products for situations like ones and other medical emergencies, providing users with tailored solutions to enhance their first aid response. Our team brings deep expertise in generative AI and agent-based systems, with extensive experience in applying those technologies to real-world scenarios. We specialize in AI innovation and have a proven track record of successfully implementing AI solutions in several domains. Currently, First Aid is in an alpha testing, and we are actively seeking testers to evaluate and refine the solution. We are looking to scale our solution globally and expand our development team to take First Aid to the next level. To do so, we are seeking partners, investors, and collaborators, joining Cassiopeia's mission to help us complete the development and enhance AI in order to deliver and create a better, safe world for everyone by leveraging generative AI.
Last but not least, we have Rightfully Yours from America. Millions miss out on benefits they're entitled to simply because they don't know they exist. This is where Rightfully Yours comes in, because they're changing that by using AI to send real-time alerts about government benefits, ensuring more people can access the support that they need.
Each year, over 60 billion US dollars in US government aid goes unclaimed simply because people don't know they qualify or struggle with complex application processes. Low-income individuals, veterans, and the elderly and others often miss out on benefits due to lack of awareness, language barriers, and confusing applications. Our platform uses AI-powered web crawling to monitor government portals, deliver personalized alerts about eligible benefits, and provides multilingual support to ensure accessibility for all. We operate on a freemium model with free notifications and a premium version offering application guidance and extended support, targeting the 65 million Americans receiving government assistance with plans to scale globally. This addresses a market worth 20 billion annually in administrative cost reductions. We are partnering with advocacy groups, nonprofits, and government agencies to expand outreach and drive adoption. Our platform has successfully processed 10,000 benefit matches during its beta phase, and with over 70% satisfaction reported in initial surveys. Our team includes policy experts and AI developers with experience in large-scale systems for civic engagement. We are seeking $250,000 to enhance our AI models, add more languages, and scale to undeserved communities nationwide. Thank you.
It's a wrap. That's the 8 founders presenting today. Thanks to all the teams for their efforts. You're all proof that AI can be a powerful tool for positive change, and we really look forward to follow your journeys after this. To anyone listening in, either live or as a recording, thank you for the attention.
And yes, thank you all for joining us today. If you are interested in any of the startups you've heard, then please reach out to them through the contact information that they displayed. Otherwise,